Wait, what? Oh, yeah!
Yeah, we had to do the thing we were gonna do earlier.
Oh, I forgot! I forgot! Oh, hold on! Hold on! I've left it in the hiding spot when she came over to steal it. I forgot to get it. Okay, okay. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Oh my god.
Entertain my chat.
So anyway.
Chat.
I think we should probably go ahead and kill Silver while she's gone.
Oh, where? Look, she's just there.
Tee.
Oh, that's so wrong. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I can't do it.
You don't want
I can't do it. Wait, I gotta turn around.
Oh, you're just gonna look the other way?
I'm gonna craft something.
Oops, I slipped. Oops, I slipped.
Oh my god!
Oops, I slipped.
Oh my god! Oh my god, you're breaking my armor! I don't have any bandage. You guys are monsters. I can't believe you.
I mean,
Yes, you can.
I didn't do a thing. There was
Oh
spiders.
oh my god. Yeah, I don't know if I believe you. You're so mean.
I broke the thing. Apparently,
You're so,
I broke the
basket.
You're so mean. You're so mean.
So where did all the stuff go that was in there?
It's just on the ground.
Oh. You
Okay.
just broke the container.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
What?
A present for you, Mom.
Yeah.
Why are you crouching down?
Ready?
What? No! I can't cover my ears. I have headphones. How do I mute this? Mute. No! My ears are bleeding.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mom! I love you.
I was gonna say nice things about my children. Not anymore. No,
So
I love you.
Love you, Mom.
Yay!
I love you too.